If you run a restaurant, cafe, or commercial kitchen in Austin, your dishwasher is critical to daily operations. When it breaks down, everything slows: service, sanitation, and revenue. At ProStar Appliance Repair, we provide fast, reliable commercial dishwasher repair in Austin, TX, helping businesses get back on track without unnecessary downtime. Our expert technicians service a wide range of commercial and industrial dishwasher systems, including under-counter, door type, and conveyor models. We work with major brands and understand high-volume kitchen demands, where performance and hygiene are non-negotiable. From minor issues to complex failures, we diagnose the problem accurately and fix it right the first time. Not every issue means replacement. Through professional industrial dishwasher troubleshooting, we identify the root cause, whether it's poor cleaning, heating issues, leaks, or error codes. One of the most common problems is drainage failure. Clogged filters, worn pumps, or blocked hoses can cause standing water and sanitation risks. We restore proper water flow to keep your equipment compliant and efficient. As a local Austin service provider, we understand urgency. We offer fast scheduling, honest recommendations, and transparent communication. We use genuine parts only, provide warranties on labor and components, and focus on long-term performance, not temporary fixes. Our goal is simple: minimize downtime and extend the life of your commercial dishwasher. If your commercial dishwasher isn't performing as it should, don't wait. Contact ProStar Appliance Repair in Austin, TX today for professional diagnostics and dependable repair. Reliable, local, done right.